about to wash this bag. I've been using it for a while now, so I now remember that I have to on my camera to show you guys this bag. It's from my online bag course. So now I'm going to wash. Have a bag that you intend to wash. It's not a difficult thing. You need your sponge, your hand sponge. You need a bar soap. You don't need a ash soap like a detergent. Like you need some water to wash. You just put your hand on your hand sponge. You take your soap. I'm going to dip my hand in the water. So gently, I'm just going to be scrubbing. Scrub, okay. Just scrub. Sorry, I'm using my machine. I'm going to clean it off because I don't have something like that. I have this. I'm just going to scrub. Take and scrub. Then I'll just use this water to whisk it. Okay, so I'm going to be whisking it outside, but this is just what you do. Just whisk the soap off the bag. Okay, I'm just going to take it to a place that there's no sun, because sun is ash. So they don't, Ankara print or African print does not need anything that has to do with ashness, such as using ash soap like detergent. You rather use a bar soap. It does not need sun. I'm going to air dry it shining brightly here. So I brought my camera. I can see how the sun is shining. So I'm just going to move it to a place that there's no sun. Ensure that it's going to air dry. All right, I'm just going to place it here. Okay, because the air is actually coming from that place, so I'm sure it's going to get dry gently. I don't want sun to dry it, so I'm just going to leave it here until it gets dry. After it has dried, I don't know if you can see the difference. So you can see the print is coming out, like it's now looking fine, looking clean. Okay, after it has dried. All right, so this is how to wash your Ankara print. I'm just going to take it inside now.